A cracked or worn key fob does not mean you need to spend a fortune replacing the entire remote. This smart keyless remote case replacement is designed to help you restore both the look and usability of your original fob quickly, easily, and affordably. From the first touch, you will notice the solid construction that feels reliable in daily use while maintaining a precise shape that matches the original transmitter cover. This replacement case offers a practical solution for drivers who want to protect their existing electronics without the hassle of reprogramming or dealership visits. Simply transfer the internal components from your old remote into this new shell and you are ready to go. The case is engineered to match the original dimensions closely, creating a tight seal that helps keep moisture, dust, and debris away from the sensitive electronics inside. That added protection can significantly extend the life of your key fob. One of the standout advantages of this case is convenience. Replacing only the outer cover is far more cost-effective than buying a complete new remote. The included buttons are clearly marked, making it easier to identify functions at a glance and reducing accidental presses. A different exterior color can also help you quickly tell remotes apart in households with multiple vehicles using similar fobs. Durability is another strong point. The materials are designed to handle everyday wear from pockets, bags, and frequent handling, while still looking clean and professional. Installation is straightforward and does not require special tools, making it ideal for do-it-yourself vehicle owners. If your keyless remote looks worn but still works perfectly, this replacement case is a smart fix that saves money and restores confidence every time you unlock your vehicle. Click the link in the video description to check compatibility with your vehicle and purchase the correct case. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover more useful automotive accessories and smart money-saving solutions.